I'm Igor Lanese, Deputy Director of the Experimental Facility at Eucentre Foundation. Eucentre Foundation played an important role in the ERIES framework. We are one of the facilities providing access to the international researchers for these exciting projects. ERIES project allows the synergy and the collaboration between research teams and experimental facilities to foster the implementation of Frontiers projects. In the second day of the workshop, we presented a test in the Lab 02 of Eucentre Foundation. The test has been carried out on the new experimental facilities of Eucentre, named the 9D system. The testing facility is actually unique in the world. It is made of two shake tables at two different levels, independently operated, and basically it allows to reproduce what is happening at any height of any kind of a building, so representing basically absolute acceleration and relative displacement that happens along the height. So this has been designed to test in real conditions what is happening on elements connected between two levels, like curtain walls, facade or piping system, or any kind of these elements. In particular, what we have seen in the test is the simulation of a room-in-room system, which is meant to be located at the 5th floor of a reinforced concrete building. So the motion of the two floors was derived by a numerical model and used as the input of the motion of the two shake table. What was done was to go step by step, increasing the intensity of the seismic motion to see what happens during the sequence in terms of response, dynamic response of the specimen and damage that occurred. It is now some decades that the attention on the non-structural elements is increasing. We all know now that as a research community that not only the structure has to withstand the earthquake with no damage or with damage limitation, but certainly all non-structural elements and components play a fundamental role in the overall seismic response of a building. To guarantee an overall good performance of a building, not only the structure has to provide a good seismic response, but also all non-structural elements and components included in the building, for instance, in critical facilities, need to perform well and to ensure functionality right after the earthquake.